I need a total of 112 teeth altogether for these two gears. And the first 16, well, they're supposed to be just a little bit longer than the rest. They're the ones for the escapement wheel. I accidentally make too many, but that's okay because I will be trimming each tooth down individually afterwards after they're glued in place. So not a whole lot of lumber lost here. The remaining pieces I'm going to be doing exactly the same way, so I may as well just go ahead and do it and get it over with. I can do a better job if I don't have to worry about the camera. Well, usually I can do a better job. Not complaining, just the way it goes. I've made up way more little pieces here than I actually need. Reason being, I was noticing as I was cutting these up, some of them are a little on the narrow side. So I was hoping that hopefully I'm going to have enough that are going to be the right width, not be loose in the slots here. Now, you will recognize this as my pen press, at least most of it. It's been modified. Centerpiece has been taken out, as you can see, and I've added some other stuff. Now the idea is the head of this nail can slide back and forth in this groove that I've cut. Okay? It'll always keep the wheel centered for me as I turn it. Now some of these pieces are going to be hard to shove in. It's going to be a tight fit, especially once it gets a little bit of glue on it, if that's the way I decide to go. And this way I'll be able to use the press to help press it in. Now what's going to help to keep it from moving this way is a pin is going to go in here. And it'll come up against like so. Now you're going to think, well, what happens when you come to the spoke? Well, when I come to the spoke and want to do, say, this one, I remove the pin, turn it, get it in line, and then I just bring this up. And the energy is transferred right through here, like so. No chance of it breaking. If I didn't use this pin, this is going to bend in. These little gaps are going to close up, and there's a chance I could actually break this, if I wasn't careful. Anyway, I think this is going to be all right. Well, no, tomorrow.